In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove filter from a picture on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Snapchat app. Once it is done, tap right here to go to your memories. Then scroll down or up until you find your photos on Snapchat. Then select one of them. From here, as you can see, we have some filters applied to that picture. And now I'm going to show you how we can easily change it or remove it. So guys, now first off, we need to tap at this arrow at the right edge of the screen. That will show us these options, and moreover, it allows us now to swipe left or right to apply filters to our photo. We can easily do so by swiping left or right. And if we want to actually completely remove filter from our photo, we just need to continue swiping until we find the original image. Here it is. It doesn't show us any filter name here, unlike of these options. As you can see, now it displays here filter's name. However, now at that image it doesn't show us any filter name. It means that this picture is original. And now to save it, I'm just gonna tap right here and hit add save changes. That's how we can easily remove any filter from Snapchat picture. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.